Hello, guys. Welcome to TchizeMatias update for a 0 to 1,000 challenge. This is a new update, brand new update, when I will share with you guys my environment, how I work, my plans. As I said, I will be sharing everything. I'll show just a snapshot, not snapset, a snapshot of what I am working with, what type of systems I'm working, and some stuff I am going through. Welcome to BitWise Hustle. So I'll start by sharing with you the plan. So this plan I set up with the help of some LLMs, AI tools. That is basically my 90 to 365 days roadmap with tasks, objectives, and targets to achieve, divided in days, weeks, months, towards my end day goal. Of course, I'm not going to show everything, just a snippet. If you guys really want to do something similar, I can if just contact me, we can talk and then see if I can help you. I'm just here to share my journey, my experience. So basically, this is document is a, let me see, it is a 16-page document with my initial 90-day action plan, which I started already with all the roadmap to what I need to achieve, what I need to do, how I divide my day in hours, how I divide each task a day in terms of hours, like in the morning, afternoon, and evening. And then it goes day by day towards the initial 90 days, and then forward. Here I am about to use a tool, is an open source tool that I will convert something a audio that really didn't motivate me but inspired me to do something on YouTube and on my TikTok. You guys will see it coming very soon. The video is actually already recorded, and I will record both in Portuguese and in English. So it's gonna be a voiceover with my image on the background that you guys will follow. It's gonna be a self episode. Probably on YouTube will be on YouTube. It's going to be only 2 episodes, but on TikTok, because of the time frame, I need to shrink it and make it a set or a series of episodes. So, and this is where I'm working. I use, if any one of you knows technology, you can see that I'm using a virtual machine inside my machine, and I am using a tool called Vagrant with a operation system distribution on Ubuntu, as you can see. So here, let me see if I can make it bigger. No, I can't. For some reason, I can't make it bigger. But yeah, you can see here, I'm using Ubuntu. The version is 2025 for January 27, and I'm building everything inside Ubuntu. I'll do another video showing you what I'm doing, how I convert audio, how I translate first from English to Portuguese, and now then convert using open source tools, all using AI. So this is one thing. Let me see what next. This is a kind of a roadmap plan that I'm working on to build up a course, because part of my process to the 0 to 1,000 challenge is also to create online courses on the area I work. I'm a DevOps engineer by if any of you guys don't know, so I do build and working mainly in cloud with AWS. I also work with Google GCP. I work with Azure DevOps, and I work also with IBM Cloud. So I have experience across different cloud providers, different tooling. One of the things that I have quite a lot of experience is a tool called Terraform, Ansible, and other things coming attached to it. So this training, I am creating this course I will eventually put it online. That will also be part of the process for generating from 0 to 1,000. Will be a set of courses that I will create around DevOps, and then this is basically the roadmap I'm using to create that course. Uh, Again, this is another tool I'm using is Trello to keep track of my progress, the tasks I need to execute, what I need to do, how I need to do it. It's like kind of a combination of the electronic um, tool I'm using to track the progression on these daily tasks in time allocation for the first week and moving forward. So I'm using Trello as my time tracking. Again, I shared with you before, this page is where whenever one of you decides to replicate what I'm doing and wants also to learn how you can go from 0 to 1,000 dollars a day, you can get to this website on mine, and from that website you can click on this to get the free ebook from me. And you also, I'll get your name and email, and I'll start training you via email. And if you want to join my course later on as well, when I make it public, if you be part of this list later, you will be offered a opportunity to get a access to my course at a later discount. Cool. So moving forward, I'm not showing that drive, but here is one of the tools I was looking at to get, because I need to translate some MP3 files I created, some audio files I created in English. I also want to publish in Portuguese because you guys know I speak Portuguese. So this application Maestra, I was looking at it, but I found something else. I'm not actually using Maestra, which is like showing a bit of the tools I'm finding. And then if you guys believe that it might be useful for you, give it a go. Those three tools I'm not sharing because, well, it's not time. But I am also using DeepSeek. The reason I'm using DeepSeek is because I needed to figure out a way to use some AI tools to execute my translation from English to Portuguese. As you guys can see here, I'm like to translate MP3 file from English to Portuguese using the Linux command line. Follow these steps. The process involves speech recognition, text translation, and speech synthesis. So is my own MP3 file recording that I did originally record in English. Sorry, I wanted to like create the same file in Portuguese, but I really don't want to re-record it again. So I said, as I am already using AI and I want to show people what AI can do, can I actually do that without having to record another video, another audio file again with the same stuff in Portuguese? And I just asked the question. And I went to, as you guys can see, I'm on DeepSeek. And my question was, how can I translate MP3 files from English to Portuguese using Linux command line? I am really well versed in Linux. That's why I ask in Linux command line, because as a DevOps, besides being an entrepreneur, as a DevOps, I've been working with Linux for the last 10 years. By the way, guys, you can find me also on GitHub, on LinkedIn, and on Stack Overflow. Very soon I will make available my own domain name with my CV on if you are looking for a contractor or you're looking for freelancer in DevOps and site reliability engineer or platform engineer. Guys, give me a call, send me an email. I'm open to do some lightweight to mid-size contracts if you open to it, or if you know someone on your network that need it. I also have a team that works with me, so I'm not just working on my own. Okay, sidetrack. And least but not last, this is a Wondershare. Wondershare is a tool that I am using. Let me see if I can open my Wondershare while I'm recording. Yeah, Wondershare is a tool that I am using to actually record this session. So Wondershare is a so far is a amazing tool that also had lots of AI embedded functionalities that I am really leveraging at maximum possible. And I will leave a link on this video for Wondershare. I am a referral. If you click on my link, you'll get some discounts. And of course, if you decide to stay Wondershare, you use it, I'll get paid. Disclosuring that I'm not selling you anything. Everything that I'm saying here is free, but all the links I leave it there. Now, one link will be for you if you decide to subscribe to my mailing list. The other link will be for Wondershare if you decide to use Wondershare. If you are a content creator or if you want to edit videos or learning how to do, Wondershare is amazing too. Pass record. So if you click on that link that is on video description somewhere here or down there, you will be pointed to Wondershare, and I will get, like, of course, some rewards because of you sign up. And if you want to support me, that will be a way without you giving me money. Yeah. So this is what I have for today. Sorry to switch in between. This is my desktop screen. I love it. Yeah, basically that was the update I have for today. And this is a motivation, not even motivation. It's inspirational video I am actually was watching before I decided to record you. As you guys know, I also have a couple of YouTube channels on my own. This is one of them. This is in Portuguese. Then I have my channel in English. This one. I have my store, meerkat.com. It's an e-commerce store. It's part of the process of becoming from 0 to 1,000. I have a gaming channel as well, and I have my kids channel. All of these 4 channels are in English. The only channel in Portuguese is this one. So and this channel I normally talk about AI, cryptocurrencies and technology. On Meerkat Shop I only talk about e-commerce for whoever wants to learn how to build up a Shopify store and wants to know how to build from ground up. Everything I will be published here. This is pure games for me when I want to enjoy myself. I publish games there and live streaming stuff. This is pure for children. My kids are 10 and 7, boy and girl. And this is purely in Portuguese where I post stuff about cryptocurrency, wallets, technology in general. But it's more like finance. That's why I say in Portuguese I say, this is not financial advice, by the way. So yeah, this is the video I want to share on my journey. I don't know what day is today, to be honest. The last video I recorded, I think it was a week ago. So this might be the day 12. I'm really behind on my track, but I still doing. Guys, it's not easy what I'm doing. There is no one in my family that ever done that. My direct family, and I believe I will get there. I'll find and I'll go through bumps, and there's sometimes that I feel like giving up, but yeah, this is me. Yeah, anyway, sidetrack. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to support the channel. And let me to say thank you very much for your support. See you on the next update. I'll promise to become more consistent and post more frequently my progression, so you guys can follow more closure. And saying that, I just need to say thank you. I see you on the next update. I'm TchizeMatias and I'm out.